Chunky monkey. Finding chunks or small words inside of big words can help you figure out unknown words. Chunky monkey gets you to break a word into parts you already know and then put it back together to read the unknown word. You can use your knowledge of word families to help you read harder words. Let's give it a go. Koalas are Let's chunk this word up. Marsupials. Marsupials. Koalas are marsupials and they have pouches where their newborns develop. Great work. Let's have another go. We love flowers. Did you know let's chunk it up. Broccoli. Broccoli. Did you know broccoli is a flower? Great work. You used Chunky Monkey. Now it's your turn.